Hi, this is Sahana. In our today's session, we are going to learn logical OR operator. This video is part of C# tutorial series. If you are interested in watching related videos, you'll get C# tutorial playlist in the description. You can watch all the videos. As you all know, logical operators are used to evaluate Boolean expressions, and C# has a whole list of logical operators. In C#, logical OR operation returns true if either or both operands is true. In C#, whenever you want to perform OR operation, you can use single bar. We call this as logical OR operator, or you can write double bar. We call this as conditional logical OR operators. Both are OR operators, but there is a small difference between these two operators. Let's start with similarities between these two OR operators. Both are binary operators. That means they operate on two operands, and they compute logical OR of their operands. That means they return true if either or both operands is true. Let's understand this practically. Here I have written simple code to test these two OR operators for different combinations of true and false. If you look at the output, you can verify that their behavior is same. If both the operands are true, then the result is true. If any of the operands is true, even then result is true. The result is false only if both the operands are false. Then what is the difference between these two operators? The logical OR operator, which is represented by single bar, evaluates both operands even if the left-hand operand evaluates to true. On the other hand, the conditional logical OR operator, which is represented by double bar, which is also called as short-circuiting logical OR operator, if the left-hand operand evaluates to true, then right-hand operand is not evaluated. Please note, for operands of the integral numeric types, the logical OR operator, which is represented by single bar, computes the bitwise logical OR of its operands. We are not going to discuss bitwise operators in this session. There will be a separate video for that. These are the highlights of logical OR operator. That's it for today's session. See you soon in the next video. Thank you.